Shalom. Back with part 2. Okay, Isaiah 14. Let's continue. So I just finished reading to you, okay, this first verse. All right. How the Lord will have mercy on Jacob, the 12 tribes, yet choose Israel, set them in their own land. I told you that didn't happen in 1948. Let's give you a precept to show you that those are not the people. All right, let's go to Isaiah 2. Give me a minute. All right, this is Isaiah 2. Let's pick it up here, verse 2. And it shall come to pass in the last days, we're living in the last days, that the mountain, so it's talking about Mount Zion, okay, Israel, Jacob, the 12 tribes, that Mount Zion, all right, that the mountain of the Lord's, which would be Mount Zion, Israel, right, the Lord's house, okay, Israel shall be established in the top of the mountain over the other nations. Okay? And shall be exalted above the hills, and all nations shall flow unto it. You see that? Did that happen in 1948? Okay? No, that hasn't happened. Have they given you the law, statutes, and commandments of the Most High and told you to follow and this or that? Mm-hmm. And if that's the case, okay, when they are placed back in the land, the Israelites, there would be no more wars. There would be peace on this planet. There's been nothing but wars since May 14th, 1948. As a matter of fact, that date, May 14th, 1948, there was war with Egypt, okay, when they made that a corporate state that same day. Okay? Do your research, people. Do your history. All right? Let's continue here. So, again, shall be exalted above the hills. Let me give you an example about being exalted. And you people should already know this, okay? Give me a minute. All right. You see what it says here? 1 Samuel 2:8. He raises up the poor out of the dust, and he lifted up the beggar from the dunghill. You people know the parable, Lazarus and the rich man? Lazarus represents, it's symbolism. It's an allegory, a metaphor for the Israelites. And the rich man is an allegory, a metaphor for the Edomites, the self-proclaimed white man. Okay? So if you know that parable, then you know what's going to take place. He raises up the poor out of the dust and lifted up the beggar from the dunghill to set them among princesses. Hello. And to make them inherit the throne of glory, like our Lord of Lords, King of Kings, Yahweh Shai. For the pillars of the earth, the pillars are the elect, the saints of Israel. Okay? The nation of Israel are his chosen people. But he has an elect within that nation. Okay? And that's who he's coming back for. All right? So, for the pillars, which are the elect, the saints, all right, the prophets, okay, his chosen. The pillars of the earth are the Lord Yahweh's, and he have set the world upon them, starting with Yahweh Shai, okay, the apex, the head, okay? And he will keep the feet of his saints, hello, his elect, and the wicked shall be silent in darkness, for by strength shall no man prevail, okay? So nobody's going to be able to come, and stop this, okay? To stop, change, or alter prophecy. You understand? Okay? The decrees, what the Most High has ordained, okay, from the beginning. All right? Prior to it ever happening, he had already prophesied, okay, the ending of Esau and him being taken down. Okay? And the Israelites being redeemed, all right? Starting with his elect. So the adversaries of the Lord, Yahweh, shall be broken to pieces. Okay? What's an example of that? Give me a minute. Daniel 2:44. In the days of these kings, we're living in those days, the Most High of heaven, all right, sets up a kingdom which shall never be destroyed. And the kingdom, which means rulership, power, and dominion, all right, which is for the Israelites, Matthew 10:5 and 6, Luke 12:32, we'll back that up, we'll prove that. It shall not be left to other people, so nobody else is ever going to rule. But it shall break in pieces and consume. What does consume mean? Devour, destroy all these kingdoms, and it shall stand forever. What's another precept to this? Give me a minute. Daniel 7:14, and there was given unto him dominion, glory, and a kingdom, rulership, power, dominion, that all people, nations, languages should serve him. Serve who? Yahweh Shai. His dominion is an everlasting dominion, as we just finished reading about. Okay? Everlasting kingdom, which shall not pass away. And his kingdom, that which shall not be destroyed. You see that? You understand that? Okay? Give me a minute. And verse 18, what does it say? But the saints of the Most High, the elect of Israel, shall take the kingdom, rulership, power, dominion, and possess the kingdom forever and ever, even forever and ever. There you go. We'll end this here. We'll be right back with parts 3 and 4. Shalom.